Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will see how to achieve this awesome text effect in Canva. So let's start. Open document in Canva. Change the document color to black. You can choose any color you like. To add the text element, click on Text. Choose any font you like. I choose this one. Ungroup the text. Keep the first one and delete the rest. Select and duplicate text element. Go to Effects. Select Hollow Effect and place it over the first text element. Go to Layers. Select first text element layer, a solid text, and duplicate it. Just write up to. Duplicate this text element. Again, go to Effects. Choose Hollow Effect and place it over the text element. Go to Elements. Search for this triangle element and click on it. Resizing it according to the need. Now change the color of the triangle to the same as the document color, that is black. Now again go to Layers and open Layer panel. Rearrange the layers by putting the triangle element in middle of border text elements and solid text elements. Go to Elements and choose Line element. Change its color same as text element's color, that is yellow, and set its width to 10. Rotate the line and adjust it to the triangle side. Meanwhile friends, if you want to generate awesome templates in just single click in Canva, then check out the video link below in description section or just click on above link. So that's it guys, we achieved this beautiful text effect in Canva. Just try it and let me know in comment section if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next awesome video.